Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So recently I have released my new cockatiels in this finch aviary. So there are the cockatiels, and one of our finch recently died. So now we have only 9 finches left, and I added some more breeding box nest and clay pots for them to breed, and they successfully breeded also. And in that breeding box there are a few eggs, and the one over there also has some eggs, and you can see the female finch sitting inside it. And this is all for today's video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like and also comment. Till then, take care and bye.